Hey guys, it's Cerise from Collective Light. Today I'm going to be having my dinner at Del Taco. If you don't know what Del Taco is, I will be explaining that a little bit later. But for those of you that are just tuning into my vlogs, pretty much I make vlogs going to all of these different vegan places, starting out with my local city, but now hoping to expand eventually and showing all the different availability that is just there. Like the fact that being vegan is not as difficult as some people think, and just showing that you can pretty much eat vegan about anywhere. You just have to be mindful of what you order and be conscious of what is inside of what you're eating. So pretty much I like to make my videos about going to these places, ordering, showing you different ways to order, showing you what's available, and just pretty much eating some bomb food and showing you how easy it is to not eat animals. So starting out with Del Taco. So I don't know too much about Del Taco, but time to do like a little history check since Google is just so great, you can look up everything. So let's learn a little bit today. Del Taco Restaurants is an American fast food restaurant chain which specializes in American-style Mexican cuisine as well as American foods such as burgers, fries, and shakes. They are headquartered in Lake Forest, California. So pretty much they have 564 locations. Not sure exactly where they all are, but they're pretty much like the rivals of Taco Bell. So if you have a Taco Bell, it's pretty much like that. They have boxes and things like that that are the same. But the only difference is that Taco Bell is not promoting any Impossible or Beyond foods, but Del Taco is. So I decided to try out Del Taco and show you what's available. Before I go over there, I'm going to show you the menu online and what is even available at Del Taco that is vegan. Because I think that a big part of being vegan, you have to really, especially if you like get invited to places by like your family or friends, you really have to look at the place's menu and like make sure that you can definitely have something there. Because some places you will like want to go and you can make things vegan, but then it's just like some places it's just not worth it. Like for example, the only thing you can have is like a salad, but then you have to take off the cheese and the meat and like everything else, the dressing, and then you just have like lettuce left, you know. So sometimes you really just have to check the menu. So let's begin. Before I was going through the menu trying to like pick out everything that was vegan and vegetarian, and then I scrolled all the way down and they already have a menu that is made for you. So way to make it easy for us, Del Taco. That's great. And if you're a vegetarian, that pretty much means that you can still have eggs and milk. But if you're vegan, you're just not going to have any of that. No meat, no eggs, no milk, no nothing. So they actually label each thing for you, which I think is great. So there's the Epic Beyond Cali Burrito, which is vegetarian, 33 grams of protein. It pretty much has like the fries inside. I think that's nuts. It has sour cream. The Beyond 8-layer burrito. You can pretty much make these both vegan if you want to. You just have to say no cheese and no sour cream. And bam. You can just add some sauce in there and make it still fire. 27 grams of protein is still great. Now, totally vegan, the Beyond Avocado Taco is so good. And I think the fact that there's an avocado on top, it just makes it so much better. Avocados, you can't go wrong. Then they just have the regular Beyond Taco, but this one comes with cheese. So you can say no cheese and make it vegan if you want. And let's see, their crinkle cut fries are vegan. I would suggest getting some kind of sauce on the side or some kind of ketchup because they're pretty bland, but they're still pretty good. They have for the vegetarians the half-pound bean and cheese burrito. You could say no cheese and make it vegan. What else? Avocado veggie lao. I didn't even know that this was a thing. So let's see what's even in it. It looks pretty good. It says it's vegan. So it must have beans, cilantro, lime, rice, seasoned black beans, tomatoes, onions, romaine, and iceberg lettuce blended avocado. Now, to me, that sounds really, really good, and I might just get that. I didn't know they had veggie bowls like that, so that's great. Okay, back to the menu, and then let's see what else they have. Crunch Tada Tostada. Now that looks crazy good. I would just get it with no cheese and eat it. It looks like a little pizza, so that's really, really delicious. There's also the breakfast burrito that they have. Don't know how long they serve breakfast for, if they do all day since they're 24 hours, or if they only do it at a certain time, but you can get that for the vegetarians. 8-layer veggie burrito. It looks like it has a lot of good stuff in there. Just say no cheese, no sour cream, I'm sure. Spicy jack or cheddar quesadilla for the vegetarians. Oh man, I used to love me some spicy jack cheese or pepper jack cheese. Oh, it's my favorite. Mini cheddar quesadillas. Like, I wish I could have quesadillas all the time. I can't wait for a restaurant to come up with a vegan cheese in their menu. It'd be great. They have a breakfast roller, which comes with a bunch of cheese. Freshly made bean and cheese cup. You can say no cheese, but it's pretty bland. They have hash brown sticks. That sounds so good. Not sure if they even have them, but unfortunately the churros, I was looking that up first and foremost. They're vegetarian, but they definitely have both eggs and milk in them. So just waiting for someone to come and invent vegan churros, because I think it's possible. All right, so that's the menu. I am pretty sure I will be getting a burrito and a taco and some fries, because all of that sounds really good. If not, I might get this veggie bowl, because I've never had that and it looks really delicious. So stay tuned. I thought I was done, but pretty much I scrolled down and there's a few more things. So if you have the kiddos, you can get a quesadilla kid local meal for it. That's all vegetarian. I guess it comes with water too, so that's really good, especially staying hydrated in a city where it's really, really hot. It's wonderful. And then we have shakes. I wish they were vegan. They're definitely dairy, but they look delicious. I'm sure there's a bunch of different flavors. Chocolate chip cookies, same thing. Got milk, eggs, caramel cheesecake bites. All vegetarian, but they look delicious. Value bean and cheese burrito for the kiddos. And potato poppers. I didn't even realize they had those, but those look really good too. So I'm in line at Del Taco. I just made my order and they have a pretty long line going. Just saying that they are 24 hours. So like they're always popping. They apparently like delicious sliced avocados and slow cook their own beans. Fire. I should have brought the selfie stick, but oh well. So pretty much like anywhere, they had a pretty long line. They're across the street from McDonald's. They definitely still have a line. My order was pretty wrong. They gave me the entire wrong order. Even the drink, down to the drink. I got a raspberry tea, but drank some soda. I don't even drink soda, but it's okay. No worries. Everything had cheese on it. But it's okay. This is my burrito, and it's already open because I definitely had to check to make sure it was right. So I'm just going to show you guys if you can even see it. Let's see. Can you see it? So this is a 8-layer, is that what it's called? 8-layer Beyond burrito, and it comes with, so I said no cheese, no sour cream. And I added rice so that it just has a little extra into it. And then this is the Beyond Avocado Taco with no cheese. And I'm about to tear it up with this ketchup and the fries. I'm just going to show you one fry because I'm about to eat it, and pretty plain. I use some ketchup, but there's all that. And I'm trying to show you a sauce, but I can't seem to grab one. There we go. Here's some mild sauce. Original Del Taco. So I'm about to enjoy this and let you know how it goes. So I've already eaten my burrito and my taco and I am super full. But I still have some fries. Okay, I can never see them. But now I have some fries still and I'm about to devour them. Delicious. Being someone, they still have a line, isn't that crazy? Being someone that appreciates art and things as such, I was looking at their bag and decided I'll like show off their bag. So let's see. So they have like a Del Taco bag with an big old avocado on it. And just something about their app, I guess you can get like a free taco or something like that. But I was kind of disappointed because the cup is pretty plain. It just has like, I don't know, what is that, like a Sierra Mountain or something? Like, I don't know, but it just says Del Taco and it's pretty boring. Taco always has fries, so props to them. And props to being fire with the Beyond Meat. I'll always love it. Okay. Decided to add this in here because this is a part of my day. Anyway, so I have to go grocery shopping just a little bit because I need some milk and I need some coffee and I also need just a couple of other things. So I'm just going to show you the milks that are inside of Safeway. I don't know if there's Safeway anywhere else besides California, but I'm going to show you all the different kinds of milks that are inside of a grocery store and just give you a slight example of what I'm looking for. Anytime I go somewhere, I have pasta at home usually, so I have to get some kind of organic pasta sauce and organic coffee. Coffee is 100% necessary. And here are all the milks, and usually the milks will be found in the warm section. Oat milk is really good. So delicious, it's so delicious. What would be my choice? Let's see. They're both really good. I'll try my best to give my cat only tuna or salmon. Pescatarian bitch. In the world. Just so you know. Last thing before I finish this video, people usually really care about prices of things, and I can't give you like, you know, an actual price on everything that's like to the T, but I can give you, you know, the rough estimate of how much I spent on my trips each time. So at Safeway, I got the milks, I got the bagels, I got some food for my cat, and some coffee and some pasta sauce, and that was roughly around $25. So grocery shopping is always going to be, you know, hit or miss. It just depends on what you get. For Del Taco, it was roughly $12.05 for my meal, and that's just one person, but that was also a pretty big meal, so I don't think that's that bad. So thank you for watching. Signing off. I hope you try it. Let me know down in the comments if you do, what you get, and just what you liked the best about or the worst about what you got at Del Taco, and let me know. And just if you have any suggestions for something that you would want me to go try out and talk about, then you just let me know in the comments as well. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe at the bottom. This is Cerise signing off. Peace, love, eat some good food, save the animals.